Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, my car says it's 102, so it's a little too hot to garden today. So we're gonna go to the antique store and take a look around. All right, here we have some terracotta, looks a little aged. Here we have a white plant stand, and look at these wood wall hanging shelves with the terracotta. They're like cut out to fit these terracotta pots. This is so cute. I guess someone made those. The terracotta pots are about $5.25 each. And yeah, those are really neat. I really like those. And here's this terracotta strawberry planter. I've been looking for one of these. This one's $25. I don't know, I just kind of want to have one and see what kind of creative things I could plant in it. Probably for next year sometime. I'm always on the hunt for vintage gardening books. Here's one on rock garden plants. This looks pretty old. I think it's always fun to look through these. This is only $2 just to see what, ideas they might have. And this is some kind of fountain. It's brass and copper. It didn't look like it had any plumbing in it, like for the water to go through, but you'd probably have to do a little bit of work on it, but it was $155. And then this is a really cool gardening caddy. I thought this would be neat to hold your garden tools, and you could carry this around with you in the garden to put your trowel and your pruners in and all those different things. This was a really cute little rustic booth, had some gardening items, some bee themed items, fresh flower market box there, some wreaths. That was a little bee pillow. This is a flower frog. I don't think it's a trip to the thrift store or the antique store if you don't see a flower frog. There's always one of those hanging around. I think they're neat, even just to sit on a shelf. And this was a kind of chippy looking plant stand for $38. And then also this cream colored outdoor hook or metal hook. You could hang it outdoors, hang different things on it. I think those are both really neat. And then this was a cool plant stand. This was $24. It was a square shape, but they had a round planter in it. So that's kind of demonstrating how you would use it. I thought that was a really neat design. And then this booth had all kinds of vases and pitchers and pottery. It was all really neat, beautiful colors. And this looked like a vase with holes in it, almost like a flower frog built into the vase for $38. That was really cool and unique. I'd never seen that before. And then this was a cute little vase. It looked like a garden gate, and it had, a spot on each side for some flowers, really cute. And then this was a really neat little tiny vase with a little matching flower frog inside. That was really a unique piece for $24. This thrift store always has some really nice, wrought iron and metal pieces here in the window. This was a really neat vine-shaped, garden stake. You could grow a vine up it. They had these wrought iron, long rectangular planters. You could set some pots in those to give a little more decoration. I also like these kind of baskets. They're really meant for utensils, I think, for dining outdoors, but I think these are also cute for, using for your garden tools to carry them around the garden. This booth had a whole section of gardening books, which were all really neat. Got indoor garden book, practical gardening, collector's garden, landscaping, gardening with perennials. These were about between $12 and $14 each, so not bad. And all hardback, which I like. Here's some more of those outdoor metal pieces, some plant stands. I really like the design of that one. And this one is like a two-tier one. There's a green one. They also had some hanging things. These were some giant baskets. Now they said they were hanging baskets. I don't know. They had feet on them, so I think you would more so have these on the ground with some kind of cocoa liner in them and some plants. And I have a thing for terracotta. I saw this terracotta seashell pot. Oh, this was so cute. This would look so neat with some succulents in it. It did not have a drainage hole, But I think that'd be neat for indoors. And if you follow Garden Answer, you know about Babs the pig. This is a watering can. How hilarious is this for $17? It's a big plastic pig and the water comes out his snout. This was a cookbook, 6 Seasons. It's like a vegetable cookbook. I thought that was kind of interesting if you grow a lot of vegetables in your garden. And this was a really old seed starters handbook. This would be really interesting to thumb through this to see what, the techniques were back then. And another cookbook for the garden. This was a really cute little vase. It was a round vintage ceramic ring. Those were fake flowers in it, but you could fill it with water and then just set little flowers in it. And this was a really cute little needlepoint with some pansies on there. That was really cute. And then this brass bud vase for $14. This was the sweetest little tea set with a little teapot and 2 little cups. And some more books, What Houseplant Wear, and a rose book. And here's the Better Homes and Gardens new garden book. I always think this is fun. I really love the vintage cover on it. This was another plant stand, which I think you could probably put a cocoa liner in it, set it on the ground for $28, or you could even put a pot in it. And I love this. This was so cool. It was like a wood birdhouse, like a caddy. It was so cute. I just imagined this with terracotta pots in it. And this sweet little Christmas themed birdhouse, it really looked like someone had hand painted that for $20. It was very cute. Here's a goose planter. This was really fun. That would look cute with a potted plant in it for $45. And some more books. There's another Better Homes and Gardens book, the Complete Guide to Gardening for $10. The Well-Designed Mixed Garden, Gardening Through the Year. Those looked like very interesting books. And here was some artwork that I thought was really cute. It was very botanical looking. It was a matching set here in a wood frame. And then behind it was this goose print, which was also really beautiful. Well, I want to thank you guys for coming along with me to the antique store on this hot day. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel for more gardening videos. Thank you for watching.